Top 8 juices every diabetic should know about. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing juice that doesn't just taste amazing, but also helps manage your blood sugar. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. In today's video, we're diving into the top 8 juices every diabetic should know about. These aren't your average sugary drinks. They're packed with nutrients, low on the glycemic index, and carefully chosen to support your health goals. Whether you're looking for a way to control blood sugar, boost energy, or just add more variety to your diet, these juices have got you covered. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know which juices to embrace, how to make them, and why they're perfect for your diabetic journey. Let's get started. Number 1, grapefruit juice. When it comes to diabetes management, grapefruit juice is a surprising but powerful addition to your toolkit. This tangy citrus beverage does more than just quench your thirst. It actively supports heart health, a critical concern for those with diabetes. Its secret weapon? The ability to lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, two major culprits in cardiovascular complications. Grapefruit juice works by blocking cholesterol absorption, helping to keep your blood lipid levels in check and reducing stress on your heart and arteries. Why is this so important? For diabetics, high cholesterol often walks hand in hand with poor heart health, significantly raising the risk of severe complications. Grapefruit juice steps in as a natural regulator, bolstering your cardiovascular system and promoting overall wellness. Plus, it's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen your immune system and combat inflammation, another critical factor in diabetes management. Incorporating grapefruit juice into your routine is simple and refreshing. Choose fresh, unsweetened juice or, better yet, make it at home for maximum benefits. Slice a few grapefruits, remove the seeds, and juice them for a pure, nutrient-packed drink. Add a splash of lime juice or a handful of mint for a zesty twist that enhances both flavor and health benefits. Of course, balance is key. While grapefruit juice is a nutritional powerhouse, it can interact with certain medications, including some prescribed for diabetes. Always consult your doctor before adding it to your diet to ensure it fits seamlessly into your blood sugar management plan. Pair it with a balanced meal or snack and enjoy its heart-healthy benefits with peace of mind. Grapefruit juice isn't just a drink. It's a step towards better heart health and a stronger, healthier you. Sip smarter and take control of your wellness journey today. Number 2, orange juice. Orange juice isn't just a classic breakfast drink. It's a smart, refreshing ally for managing diabetes. With a glycemic index, GI, of 43, it comfortably falls into the low GI category, making it far less likely to cause sudden blood sugar spikes compared to high GI options like watermelon. This means you can enjoy its naturally sweet flavor without the worry of destabilizing your glucose levels. But there's so much more to orange juice than just its GI rating. Oranges are loaded with naringenin, a potent antioxidant that plays a key role in blood sugar regulation. This incredible compound reduces glucose production in the liver, enhances your body's sensitivity to insulin, and even stimulates insulin production in the pancreas. Together, these effects help keep blood sugar levels steady, a crucial goal for anyone managing diabetes. Incorporating orange juice into your diet is simple and rewarding. To maximize its benefits, skip the store-bought varieties that often contain added sugars. Instead, go for freshly squeezed juice. Just grab a few ripe oranges, slice them in half, and juice them manually or with an electric juicer. For an extra burst of flavor and nutrients, add fresh mint leaves or a splash of lemon juice. This not only enhances its refreshing taste, but also packs in additional antioxidants and vitamins. For the best results, moderation is key. Stick to about half a cup per serving and pair your orange juice with a fiber-rich snack, like a handful of almonds or a slice of whole-grain toast. This pairing slows the absorption of sugars, giving you longer-lasting energy without sudden glucose spikes. With its tangy sweetness and impressive health benefits, orange juice is more than a drink. It's a simple, delicious way to support your diabetes management. Add it to your routine and experience its power to keep you feeling vibrant, balanced, and energized. Number 3. Apple juice. Apple juice isn't just a refreshing drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Packed with quercetin, a potent antioxidant, apple juice plays a vital role in protecting the kidneys, an essential concern for diabetics. Kidney damage is a common complication of diabetes, and those with both type 2 diabetes and kidney disease are at a significantly higher risk of heart disease and stroke. This is why incorporating apple juice into your daily routine can be a game changer for both kidney and heart health. But how does apple juice work its magic? Quercetin helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major factors that contribute to kidney damage. By slowing down the damage process, quercetin helps preserve kidney function and reduces the risk of cardiovascular complications. For diabetics, managing kidney health is just as crucial as controlling blood sugar levels. Making apple juice at home is quick and easy. Simply grab a couple of fresh apples, wash them well, and cut them into quarters. Use a juicer to extract the juice, or strain it for a smoother texture. For an extra boost of flavor and health, squeeze in a bit of lemon or sprinkle cinnamon, both of which enhance taste and offer additional health benefits. To get the most out of apple juice, moderation is key. A small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces, alongside a balanced meal or snack, ensures a steady release of energy without spiking blood sugar levels. Pairing it with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains helps slow sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day. By adding apple juice to your daily routine, you're not only enjoying a tasty drink, but also supporting your kidneys and heart. It's a simple, effective way to boost your overall health and reduce the risk of complications that come with diabetes. Number 4, pear juice. Pear juice is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a natural powerhouse for managing diabetes. Packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants found in pears, this juice helps improve insulin sensitivity and boosts glucose uptake in muscle and fat tissues. For those with type 2 diabetes, this process is crucial as it helps combat insulin resistance, a key challenge in diabetes management. What makes pear juice especially effective is its ability to enhance insulin action. By promoting better glucose uptake into cells, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing dangerous spikes over time. Pears are also rich in dietary fiber, which further slows down the absorption of sugar, keeping blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day. Making pear juice at home is simple and ensures you're getting all the nutritional benefits without any added sugars. Just wash a couple of ripe pears, cut them into pieces, and juice them using a blender or juicer. For a smoother texture, strain the juice to remove the pulp. Add a splash of lemon or a small piece of ginger for extra flavor, and added health benefits like improved digestion and reduced inflammation. To get the most benefit from pear juice, aim for a small serving, around 4 to 6 ounces, paired with a meal or healthy snack to avoid blood sugar spikes. With its low glycemic index, pear juice won't cause rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for those managing diabetes. Incorporating pear juice into your routine is easy and enjoyable. Whether you drink it in the morning or as an afternoon refreshment, it's a delicious way to support insulin sensitivity and overall health. Regularly enjoying pear juice can help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling great throughout the day. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And hey, let us know in the comments, which of these foods are you excited to try? We'd love to hear from you. Number 5. Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate juice is a game changer for people managing diabetes, offering a wealth of health benefits that can help regulate blood sugar levels and support overall well-being. Loaded with potent antioxidants like punicalagin, tannins, anthocyanins, and ellagic acid, this juice plays a vital role in reducing oxidative stress and lipid peroxidation, two factors that contribute to complications in diabetes. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage. This is crucial for those with type 2 diabetes, as oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and insulin resistance. By reducing these harmful effects, pomegranate juice can improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body respond better to insulin and control blood sugar more effectively. One of the most significant benefits of pomegranate juice for diabetics is its ability to fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is common in diabetes and contributes to insulin resistance and other complications. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly can combat this inflammation, promoting better health and reducing the risk of further complications. Making fresh pomegranate juice at home is easy and ensures you're getting all the nutritional benefits without added sugars or preservatives. Simply buy fresh pomegranates, cut them open, and extract the seeds. Blend the seeds and strain the juice to remove excess pulp. If fresh pomegranates aren't available, look for 100% pure pomegranate juice at the store, making sure it's free from artificial ingredients or added sugars. For best results, aim for 4 to 6 ounces of pomegranate juice a day. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. The key is to incorporate it into a balanced diet as part of your daily routine to reap its antioxidant benefits. Pomegranate juice not only helps lower blood sugar and reduce oxidative stress, but it also supports heart health by improving circulation and lowering cholesterol levels. Research shows that pomegranate juice can reduce the risk of heart disease, a common complication for those with diabetes. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet is a simple, delicious way to enhance diabetes management. Its antioxidants protect your body, reduce inflammation, and help keep blood sugar in check. Why not make pomegranate juice a regular part of your routine and enjoy all the amazing health benefits it has to offer? Number 6. Guava juice may not be the first drink that comes to mind when considering diabetes-friendly options, but it deserves a place in your daily routine. Packed with vitamin C, 3 to 5 times more than oranges, guava juice is a powerhouse beverage that can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote overall health. Its high vitamin C content plays a crucial role in lowering fasting blood sugar, making it an excellent natural option for those managing diabetes. What sets guava juice apart is its ability to reduce triglycerides and cholesterol in the body. By improving lipid profiles, it lowers the risk of cardiovascular complications, which are common in diabetics. This makes guava juice a 2-in-1 solution. It supports better blood sugar control and helps protect against heart-related issues, addressing both key aspects of diabetes management. Making guava juice at home is simple and rewarding. Start with 2 medium-sized ripe guavas, wash them thoroughly, peel off the skin and remove the seeds. Blend the flesh with water until smooth, and add honey or lime for a burst of flavor. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice before serving. Drink it fresh to enjoy its full nutrient benefits. Incorporating guava juice into your daily routine can enhance insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. Whether enjoyed in the morning or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up, it's a delicious and nutritious choice. With its antioxidant-rich properties, guava juice also reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, boosting your immune system. By adding this vibrant juice to your diet, you not only improve your blood sugar control, but also promote better heart health, making it a fantastic addition to your diabetes management plan. Number 7. Tomato juice. Tomato juice might not always be top of mind when it comes to diabetes-friendly drinks, but it's a nutritional powerhouse with impressive benefits. Rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant from the carotenoid family, tomato juice plays a key role in lowering blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, lycopene helps improve blood sugar control and supports insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of complications. The primary advantage of lycopene lies in its ability to combat oxidative stress, a common issue for people with diabetes. Oxidative damage can contribute to nerve damage, heart disease, and kidney problems, complications that are all too familiar for diabetics. By protecting the body from this damage, tomato juice helps reduce the risk of these serious issues and promotes overall health. Incorporating tomato juice into your diet is simple and convenient. Start with fresh, ripe tomatoes, preferably organic to avoid pesticides. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into quarters. Blend until smooth, then strain to remove any pulp or seeds. You can enjoy it as is, or add a pinch of salt, black pepper, or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. To take your tomato juice up a notch, try blending it with other antioxidant-rich ingredients like carrot or cucumber juice. This combination will create a nutrient-packed drink that's even more beneficial for blood sugar regulation and overall well-being. Tomato juice isn't just low in calories, it's also packed with antioxidants that help with insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and protect your body from oxidative stress. By drinking it regularly, you'll not only maintain better blood sugar levels, but also lower your risk of the common complications associated with diabetes. Make tomato juice a regular part of your daily routine, whether you drink it solo or mix it with other healthy juices. It's a refreshing, easy way to naturally improve your diabetes management. Start enjoying this powerhouse juice today and experience its benefits for yourself. Number 8. Strawberry juice. Strawberry juice is a refreshing drink that's perfect for managing diabetes. With a low glycemic index, GI, of 40 and a glycemic load, GL, under 5, it has minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making it a great option for keeping your blood sugar stable. The secret behind strawberry juice's effectiveness lies in its antioxidant-rich content of phenolic acids and flavonoids. These compounds help slow carbohydrate digestion, reducing glucose absorption in the intestines and preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. They also promote insulin secretion in the pancreas, which is vital for regulating blood sugar. Additionally, strawberry juice aids in reducing insulin resistance, which is a major challenge for those with type 2 diabetes. Making strawberry juice at home is simple. Start with fresh, ripe strawberries, preferably organic. Wash them thoroughly and remove the stems. Blend them until smooth and strain if you prefer a thinner consistency. You can add lemon juice for extra flavor, or mix it with other berries like blueberries or raspberries for an antioxidant boost. For sweetness, consider adding a small amount of stevia or honey, but be cautious not to overdo it. Strawberry juice is also rich in vitamin C, supporting immune health and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption can help lower the risk of cardiovascular complications, a common concern for people with diabetes. Incorporating strawberry juice into your daily routine is an easy and delicious way to support diabetes management. Not only does it help regulate blood sugar, but it also boosts overall health with the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals packed in every sip. Make this tasty juice part of your diet and feel the benefits on your energy and well-being. So there you have it. Top 8 juices every diabetic should know about. Each of these juices offers unique benefits to help you manage your blood sugar, improve overall health, and reduce the risk of complications. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you're not just sipping on something tasty, but giving your body the support it needs. Remember, diabetes doesn't have to control your life, and small changes like adding these juices can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from this information. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.